Hello everyone, subscribers and fans. We are proud to release our new mod with the bullet buttons for the select and start button. As you can see right here, we have the new 22s in place. So if you wanted to have bullet buttons everywhere, including your buttons here, the center button, the select and the start, D-pad, here's an option where you can have it modded completely with the bullet buttons. We also offer mods as far as drop shot, illuminating thumbsticks that can, make this controller look even nicer than it is right now. And of course, these come in an illuminating option as well. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your comments.